Welcome to a world of limitless opportunities where your typing skills can turn into a lucrative source of income. Today, we're exploring a platform that promises to transform the way you earn money online. If you've ever wondered how to make up to $30 for every word you type, you're in the right place. Stick with us as we unveil the secrets of this remarkable platform and how you can harness it to enhance your typing skills and boost your income. But first, let's kick things off with a quick preview of what this platform has to offer. Reverend.com is an exciting platform that opens the door to earning money online. The primary tasks you'll be working on here involve typing and translating various types of content. Let's take a closer look at the earning opportunities. First up, we have audio and video transcription. When you transcribe, you're essentially converting spoken words from audio and video files into written text. For every minute you dedicate to this task, you'll find your earnings increasing by $1.50. It's a task that rewards your time and effort while enhancing your typing skills. Moving on to English, closed captioning, it's another rewarding avenue on Reverend.com. The compensation here is also set at a competitive rate of $1.50 for every minute of content you caption. This work not only helps make media accessible to a wider audience, but it also keeps your income flowing steadily. This site really stands out because it has subtitles that are translated from different languages. If you're fluent in multiple languages or adept at translation, this is where your earnings can soar. Here's the exciting part. Your income for translating subtitles can vary between $5 and $10 per minute, depending on the specific task and language involved. And if you consistently deliver highly accurate translations, you might even unlock the potential to earn a remarkable $12 per minute. That's a fantastic rate, considering the flexibility of working from home on your schedule. Now, let's talk about the flexibility of when you receive your earnings. Reverend.com understands that everyone has their preferences when it comes to payment schedules, so you have the option to get paid on a weekly basis, a monthly basis, or even once a year. It's all about accommodating your needs. In a nutshell, Reverend.com provides a dynamic platform where your typing, transcription, and translation skills can be turned into a reliable source of income. It's not just about making money, it's about honing your skills and putting them to good use. Plus, the flexibility in payment options ensures that you can enjoy your earnings at a frequency that suits you best. It's a win-win situation. In our comprehensive evaluation of Reverend.com's trustworthiness, a meticulous assessment disclosed an outstanding trust score of 100 out of 100. This high score serves as a beacon of dependability, showcasing Reverend.com as a promising avenue for those seeking legitimate online earning opportunities. The exceptional trust score is not just a numerical value, but a testament to the platform's unwavering reliability, validated through positive user feedback and reviews. This perfect score, coupled with user acclaim, solidifies Reverend.com as a reliable platform, offering a wealth of potential for individuals searching for genuine means of earning income online. Reverend.com is a promising platform for anyone seeking to augment their online income. It centers around tasks related to typing and content translation. Let's dive into the details. For audio and video transcription and English closed captioning, you can earn $1.50 per minute, making it a competitive opportunity. The real allure, however, lies in global translated subtitles. Here, your earnings can vary, ranging from $5 to an impressive $12 per minute, depending on the quality of your work. What sweetens the deal is the flexibility in payment frequency. You can choose to receive your income weekly, monthly, or even annually. In our trustworthiness evaluation, Reverend.com scored a flawless 100 out of 100, a testament to its unwavering reliability. With glowing reviews from users, it's an attractive platform for those looking for genuine ways to boost their online income. Reverend.com offers a promising avenue to enhance your online income through typing and translation tasks. The trustworthiness and potential for earning make it an attractive platform to explore in 2023. Are you excited about the opportunity to earn money online by typing and translating content? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, leave a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Tap the bell icon to turn on notifications to stay updated with all our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.